Alright, I got this hinge cylinder loose, and you just pull it out like that. Make sure to compress the piston before you do it so you don't scratch it. Yeah, I just went right on this pin. Pretty easy. 2 little clips. I lost one of them is in the trunk. I gotta find it. These things, they drop off, disappear. And yeah, it just came from right here. There's just a little clip on the other side. That thing took off and fell down behind the battery, so that's going to be fun. Now I think I'll just work on getting rid of or taking this lock out right here with a cylinder. Okay.